In this lecture, we will talk about polynomial division. Before we do that, let's recall what are we going to do with finding the quotient and remainder if 9 is divided by 7. We can write 9 here, the divisor 7 here, okay, and then we put upstairs the quotient 1 times 7 is 7, so 9 minus 7 is 2. This 2 is remainder. Okay. Then we know 9 can be written as 7 times the quotient plus 2 the remainder. So we can write 7 times 1 plus 2. Okay, so it's the number here times 1 plus remainder. Similarly, for the polynomial, find the quotient and the remainder if f of x is divided by p of x. Here f of x equals 3x to the fourth. The highest exponent is 4 minus x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 12. And p of x is x squared minus 4. So this expression, polynomial divided by this one, we can do like what we did here. 9 divided by 7, 9 is here, 7 is here. So f of x divided by p of x, then big number, here is the highest x to the fourth, this polynomial. You put inside x squared minus 4, you put outside. You see here to the fourth, third, 2, the exponent is 1, and here is 12. So you may want to write in this way. Nothing is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the constant, last one. Here x squared minus 4, x10 is missing, so you want to put 0 times x here. That's the technique for us to do the non-division. So, in order to eliminate x to the fourth, what do we need right here? We need x to the fourth to cancel this one. Then you know we have a 3x squared times x squared. You will have a 3x to the fourth. Okay? So our goal is to eliminate the highest term. That's our goal. Now, 3x squared times x squared is 3x to the fourth, because here 2 plus 2 is 4. This 10 is still 0, because 0 times x is 0. 0 times 3x squared is still 0. Okay? And then next is negative 4 times 3x squared. That's negative 12x squared. Now you do upstairs minus downstairs, like what we did here, minus 7. So here was the polynomial. If minus, you want to change all the sign below. So was plus, here is minus, minus, plus is actually plus 12x squared. Here is positive 3x to the fourth. Here is negative. So they cancel each other. Here minus, but here is minus 0. So it's just negative x cubed down right here. And here is plus 12x squared, and here is minus 5x squared. So together is positive 7x squared. Take this one down, 7x down. Okay. Take this one down here. Now our goal now is to eliminate the highest term again. Here is x cubed, here is x squared. So if we have a negative x times x squared, we then should have a negative x cubed. Again, it's because here the exponent is 1. 1 plus 2, we have a 3. And negative, positive. Here is actually positive 1. So negative 1 times positive 1, we have a negative 1. Okay. Okay, so it's negative x cubed. Again, here is 0 times this term, you have a 0 here. And then negative 4 times negative x, you have a positive 4x. Is the term upstairs minus the term downstairs. So you switch the sign. Negative comes to be positive. 0, it doesn't matter plus minus, but let's to be consistent. Put negative here and minus 4x. Again, positive x cubed, negative x cubed cancel each other. 7x squared plus 0, that's 7x squared. Positive 7x, negative 4x, together is 3x. Okay, take negative 12 down, right here. Then our goal is to eliminate 7x squared. You see, we have x squared, we only need 7 times x squared. We have 7x squared. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Okay. And again, it's upstairs minus downstairs. So you switch the sign. If you switch the sign, those two will cancel each other, positive, negative. 3x minus 0 is 3x. And here, negative 12 plus 28 is positive 16. Okay. So right here, what do we have? After we get this far, we know it's like what we did here. 9 equals 7 times 1 plus 2. Then here this big expression inside is like our line, so you can put here 7 times 1 is like 7 is like x squared plus 0x minus 4, and 1 is like 3x squared minus x plus 7. So the big expression can be written as this expression times that plus that remainder. Okay, so this one we call quotient. And this one we call remainder. It's like the one we did here, quotient, remainder. So 9 equals 7 times 1 plus 2. And then this is like our 9. You put right here. 7 times 1 is like 7 times 1. So this expression you put right here. And then 3x squared minus x plus 7. Like our 1 here. Plus remainder is 2, so you put right here. Okay, they are equal. You know, for the This was our f of x. And this was our p of x, you see. Okay, f of x, p of x. So f of x is like our 9, you may put right here. P of x is like our 7, so you may put right here. P of x is x squared minus 4. And here the quotient is like our 1, you may put here. So here will be q of x. Okay, and then remainder is like our 2 plus 2, and here you plus this remainder 3x plus 16, and that's our r of x, and that's also the remainder. Okay, so f of x equals p of x times the quotient plus the remainder. Okay, and then original f of x, this one, can be written as f of x equals p of x times q of x plus r of x. And this kind of algorithm is called division algorithm for polynomials. So it's like the things we did for this again. The only difference is that here we have a polynomial. We write as we did here. Okay, and this algorithm is called division algorithm for polynomials. Remember, if the remainder is smaller than 7, we can stop. Okay, 2 is less than 7, remainder is less than divisor. Here, how do we know we can stop? Remember, here the exponent is 1, here the exponent is 2. So if the exponent 1 is less than the exponent here, 2, then our division is done. Okay? Alright, I'll see you next time.